Camera stopped filming because I've checked if I got any messages. I just started it same moment, but yeah, this feels hard. I'm not sure if the Kitayama is gonna do anything to this at all. This is screaming hard. I would reckon 64, 65. You can really feel it feeling glassy on the stone. Little more up here. I think that's it. Feels lovely on the stone, very, very hard. This actually needs a tiny amount of pressure to keep the stone cutting, so 300, 400, 500 grams or so to get the stone to cut. And I dragged off the stone, so this will be a two-part video. What was that? A particle on my stone. Yep, you can feel it straight away. Some abrasive part of the stone got loose. I think that's it. Gonna check. There. So this will be a two-part video since my damn recorder stopped filming, just because I checked if I got any messages. Looks gorgeous. Let's check again. Not after much sharpness, but just checking. Has it got the edge? You can hear it's pretty loud, but it's cutting, so let's check just how it reacts to stropping. Much cleaner straight away. So just put that stone away. Again, trying to make this thing keep the stone there. It's hard. And this is a very light knife. Just checking that I haven't got any big grains or something. I'm just polishing that up. Again, it doesn't need to be perfect. Just a little pressure just to build some slurry. You can start to see not polish, but it's starting to take form. But it's a good bit from there. But do I care? No. I just want the deepest scratches out. Again, trying not to slice my fingers off. Actually, I think I need some running water on this. So the slurry doesn't make my knife stick, and yeah. Makes me wanna lose a finger. That's good enough. I don't care about it being good. I don't care. I just want most scratches gone, so I can move on. Again, I don't care for looks. It's all about how a knife performs. This side was more even than the other side actually. Just a little amount here into the edge. This is so 10, so I'm doing the edge at around 15 per side. Just to give it some strength. And this feels hard on the stone. Actually, this also trying the denim. It's a bloody nice edge. Bloody nice, I tell ya. Bloody nice. Let's see if this does it. Yep. This also is a strop. Just nearly anything is a strop if you want it to. You can hear this blade ringing out. Just cleaning my hand. Can you hear this? Edge is so thin, it's ringing out. Is it edge flexing? Yeah, it's edge flexing. I don't know if you can see this, but yeah, you probably can't. Just giving it that. Silly sharp. Doing rings. Bush cuts. Let's check the tomato. No problem. A little at the tip. Just checking if that was enough. As soon as I need any pressure at all, it can be applied. So let's check again at the very tip. There it goes. I hope you can see this very ripe tomato. This is basically the same test as the straight racers. Nearly got my finger there. Yeah, that's I'm not gonna do anything more to this because that's so bloody sharp. Yeah, it feels like a straight razor on the tomato. Then yeah, and I know because I sharpen straight razors, so. Let's try the entire page. If it wants to stand. That is just putting the tomatoes back so they don't get ruined. Sit in view. Gorgeous knife. Just gonna move you up so you can see the paper. There. That's a tall one, if you see the knife. Yeah, just giving it. I mean, denim is one of the best strokes you can get. Is it in view? Yep. Still with a lot of bite. Wet paper, but yeah. Let's check how far out I can get cut. I can do circles, or I could at least, if I'm not hitting my fingers there. My fingers are back there. So yeah. The most flimsy ass kitchen paper known to man. Yeah, that's more than good enough. Absolutely love this. Just gonna check, is this as sharp? I think I actually can do that a little also. I think actually the denim strop is better than the leather strop. Forgot to drag off. This is part 2 of the video. A little burr left. There. You can feel it on the denim, it's at the tip. There, it's on the way. Yep. Let's do the circles. And it's hard because this is a wide blade, but my fingers are also in the back here, as you see. So it's more than sharp enough, more than bite enough. And then it's a kitchen knife, it isn't a shaving tool, it isn't a, how do you say it? I'm just checking if there's anything on the edge. I don't need my kitchen knives to basically shave my asshole. Yeah, get off. I need them to be able to cut more than sharp. Let's test the apex. That's actually a little bit sharper. But so yeah, two fantastic, well-made knives. I'm gonna move this away and make room for them. So that's what I got, 2 parts. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share the video, leave a like and comment if you wonder about anything. My PayPal is in the description if you want to help me get the finishing stuff. So bye.